It's Mia and
Ricky.
Today we're here at the Magic Kingdom to celebrate Ricky's 27th birthday. Yay, Ricky! We're going to have a great time today. We are going to hit the Plaza Restaurant for dinner. We're going to go on rides and we're going to do other things that Ricky wants to do because it's his birthday. So let's head on in and celebrate Ricky's birthday. This is what Magic Kingdom looks like today. It is a little busy. Well, the Halloween party is tonight, so it starts at 6. And we are here in the afternoon, so that's probably why it's busy. Anyway, let's head on over and get Ricky his special birthday button. Okay, Ricky, you want to show everybody your happy birthday button on the top of your hat? Look at that, you guys. Happy birthday, Ricky. Ricky! Ricky, what show are you going in to see right now? Which one? Musical Jamboree by the Country Bears. That's where we're going. We have our Country Bear t-shirts on, and we haven't seen this musical, so Ricky wanted to see it today, and that's what we're doing. I hope you guys enjoyed the show, because I know we will.
Let's hear it for the Five Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! It's a Country Bear musical jamboree. Wow, that bear is smoking. Yeah, he's on fire today. But now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
Whoa! Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad, I can't go home. You got a friend in me. The necessities of life will come to you.
Woo! Woohoo! Look at you! Woo! Go ahead!
Shine it, right?
Close your eyes. All you need is a little faith, trust, and pixie. May all your wishes and dreams come true.
We hope that you guys are having an awesome day. Ricky is. Everybody's so nice to him and sweet and saying happy birthday, as expected here at Magic Kingdom. Anyway, we are headed to have some dinner at the Plaza Restaurant.
What's your dream, my little snuggly friend?
My dream? I always wanted to be one of your friends.
What about you?
I always wanted to try new things and make new friends.
Those are beautiful dreams.
Birthday boy, what are you going to eat? Tell us. Onion rings. You want? And double cheeseburgers plain? Yeah? And french fries. Okay. So when Ricky says cheeseburger plain, that means he doesn't want the lettuce and tomato on it or anything else. He doesn't like really ketchup or anything on it. Just plain cheeseburger with bacon. And he wants onion rings and he wants french fries. Okay. Could he eat it all? Yeah, he can. For myself, I think I may get the chicken Waldorf salad or the triple-decker turkey club. I'm not so sure yet. So, oh, then they have a chef's salad too. That looks awesome as well. They got so many good things here. Well, It looks really good on the menu. Let's see how it tastes. You know, we've been here before, but it was many years ago when we were here visiting. So ever since then, like, I don't know, that might have been 10 years ago, we haven't been here. So the menu has changed. I don't remember this menu anyway. So, and I don't even remember what we got back then. But I think I found it was just okay. Let's see how it is today. I'll let you guys know. What kind of batter is that, Ricky?
Like a beer batter.
Beer batter. Ooh. That was some horseradish sauce. That's spicy. Let's try it without that. Mm. Yes, it's good. A little greasy, but it's good. Let me try it with the, I think the other one is ranch, the other sauce. We'll try it. I'm not a fan of ranch. Yeah, it's ranch. The horseradish is actually good. It surprised me because I had a kick. But both of them, let's try them together. Mm. Yeah, I like them together. Mm-hmm. What you got there? Show everybody. What is that? Got an onion ring on there? Show everybody. Take the bread off and show everybody what you got. That's his cheeseburger. Look how big it is. Okay, you can put your onion ring back, or are you going to take it off? Oh, he's going to take it off and eat it separate. Ricky dissects his food, right, Rick? You like it better like that? Yeah? So here's my meal. It's a Waldorf salad. It doesn't come with pickles, but Ricky doesn't like pickles, so he threw it on my salad. Thank you, Ricky. I haven't had any Waldorf salad here in Florida. This is the first time here at Disney. The chicken, well, it seems like, I don't know if they prepared it or it was like pre-made. So it doesn't really seem very moist. The dressing is just your typical dressing. It doesn't seem like it's made from scratch. Sure. And the apples, well, they're just green apples. I like mine a little into small chunks. And the green apples here are like slices, like this. It's a green apple. And the pecans, well, they're pecans. They're fine. Would I get this again? I would. $20 for this salad? Nah, it's not worth $20, but that's fine. You know, it is Disney. It's a theme park, so I'm going to say it's okay. So I'm going to rate it on 1 to 5. I'm going to say it's about a 3. Not bad, not great. It's fine. And Ricky, well, his cheeseburger was awesome. He loved it. The onion rings, I'm going to say, since I tried the onion rings, I would rate the onion rings about a 3 as well, because they were a little greasy. Although they tasted good, they were a little greasy. Yeah, but the service was great. Service is a 5. Cast member, waitress, 5. So we're going to finish our meal, and we're going to head on out of here, and we're going on a ride. Ricky, what do you give it? 1 or 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Show me your thumbs. 1? Where's the other thumb? 2. Cool. Ricky, what ride are we going on? Tiana's Bayou Adventure. That's the ride Ricky chose to ride today. Oh, interesting bird over here. Let's see. Want to check him out? Hello there. Woo, there he goes. I didn't mean to scare him. But I did. Okay, so we're on our way to Frontierland, and we'll meet you there. We are going in the front row because Ricky here wants to go in the front. So we're going to get wet. so now we are going to head to the front of the park because Ricky wants to pick out some sweet treats at the confectionery to take home with him today. And let's see what other magical things happen today here on Ricky's birthday. Stitch Mummy Popcorn Bucket, $26.29. We're waiting for the ghost one, the little cap. Haven't seen it here. I know Disneyland has gotten theirs. What do you have there? Ricky, don't eat it. Not yet. Not yet. It's your birthday cupcake. Wait, not yet. You have to show everybody your cake. What does it look like? Pumpkin, that's right. But it's just a vanilla cupcake with some frosting and some chocolate ears. And Ricky is going to eat it as soon as we sing happy birthday to him. Okay, we're going to sing happy birthday. No, not yet. Here we go. Everybody on YouTube that's watching this today, sing for us. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Not yet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ricky. Happy birthday to you. Yay! It's so good. I'm going to try that cake. Don't think I'm not. Can I have a piece of the cake? Can I?
Cake.
Yeah? For Mom?
Mommy.
I'm going to have a piece of this cake here. Yeah. Here I go. Yummy.
Mommy.
I love frosting. This is very good. Don't care for the dye too much, but you know, makes a pretty looking cupcake. So Ricky picked out a present today here at Magic Kingdom. Can you show them what you picked out? What is that? Fantasy Flights? Are you going to open it? Okay, well, let's show them the back of what these pins are first. Well, he already ripped the bag, so I'm afraid they're going to fall. But anyway, these are the pins back here, and he's going to show you what's in the bag. Go ahead, one by one, Rick. One by one pin at a time. Let's see what it is. Turn it around. Want to show me? Here, give it to me. Oh, do you know who that is? That's Ray from Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Ray. You got Ray. Good. Okay, you want to give me it? I'll hold it. Okay, pick out the next one. What's the next one, Ricky? Oh, Ricky got the magic carpet from Aladdin. Cool, Ricky. You're having great luck. Ooh, Pegasus. Awesome, Ricky. These are great pins. Here's, what's his name? Gragu? I don't know. He's from, also from Aladdin. He's the parrot, Jafar's parrot. Next. Woo! Tinkerbell. So here are the 5 pins Ricky pulled. Pegasus, the carpet, Tinkerbell. I forgot his name. Jafar's parrot. And Ray from Princess and the Frog. I think he pulled out great pins. He picked out this pack. I didn't even see it. It was the last one too. So, Ricky, it's birthday luck today. Do you like your gift?
Cake.
Your pins?
Pens.
You did a good job. Which one is your favorite? Which one? Which one? Pick it up. Show everybody what your favorite one is. Look who Ricky picked out.
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. Okay, my friends, it's time for Ricky and I to skedoodle because the Halloween party is starting right now, so we need to leave. But we had such a great time here on Ricky's birthday. He enjoyed the day, right, Ricky? You had a present, you got a cake, well, a cupcake. You got to go on a ride, you had dinner here. We had so much fun today, right? Say thank you, everybody, for wishing me happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say, see you real soon.
See you soon.
Bye, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.